My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Peugeot 3008 GT line. This vehicle has done just under 61,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control and automatic headlights. On the left, we have automatic wipers. On our screen, we can access radio, climate control, navigation, our driving functions and vehicle settings, Bluetooth, and Apple and Android CarPlay. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our sport mode button. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.